Hi guys, it's me Warren. Hit the button. The first thing to do is choose your game mode. Number bonds, doubles, halves, times tables, division facts, square numbers. I think times tables. Oh no. Oh yeah. Tables up to 10. Hit the answer. Times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Yes. Made that sound. 42. 7. Oh. Tricky. 56. My gosh. 28. 8 times 7. 56. Oh, 9 times 7 equals 63. Oh, 7. I think 56. 7 times 7 is 49. 14. 7. Oh, 56. Oh, 14. 70. 21. 28. Oh no, we're running out of time. I did it. Thank you for watching times tables. Hit the answer. Tables up to 10 and 7 times tables. On top marks, hit the button. Well, see you next time. Bye.